Breaking news, we've just found out that the Queen has died. She's been struggling with health issues for a while and we all thought this day would come soon, and today is that day, which means the Ginzano poster is going down and my hand-painted portrait of the Queen is going up. I'm not the best artist, but that's what I've got. So, whether you're a monarchist or you're not a monarchist, whether you think this is going to affect your life or you think it's going to have no effect on your life, the fact is that if you are under the age of 70, you've not known a life without the Queen as the Queen. So things are going to change. As a humble bartender, there's not much I can really do except make a drink. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be telling you how you can honour the Queen by drinking her favourite cocktail. The Queen is well known to love a tipple or two. She loves German sweet wine, she loves champagne, but there is one cocktail that she absolutely loves. A cocktail she has more than anything else, and this is it. And I'm going to show you how to make it today. This is the Dubonnet cocktail. The first thing you're going to do is 50 millilitres, that is 2 ounces, or a double shot of gin. The Queen's favourite gin is Gordon's, so make sure you pick up some Gordon's gin. The second ingredient is Dubonnet, which is a sweet fortified wine, and we're going to go in with 25 millilitres, or 1 ounce, or a single shot. Stir those two things together and pour it out into a glass with ice and garnish that off with a lemon peel. However, we're going to put our own little twist on it today, and the twist is not going to be with a cocktail. It's a beautiful cocktail how it is. We're going to leave that the same, but we're going to switch up the serve. So in honour of the Queen, we're going to be serving this out of a traditional teacup with 1 large piece of ice. So grab yourself a teacup, a large piece of ice, make your cocktail, and then we're just going to pour that in, or you can make it directly in the glass. We're still going to finish that off with the lemon peel, so grab your lemon peel, give it a twist, and put it on top like so. And there you have it, that right there, that is the Queen's favourite cocktail, and a great way that you can honour her passing. Delicious. Now the Queen does like a hard hitting drink, so this isn't for everyone's taste. It is kind of niche, it's very booze forward, it's just 2 types of booze stirred together. So if you still want to honour the Queen, you still want to try a favourite cocktail, but this just isn't for you, try putting it in a wine glass, filling it with ice, and then topping it the rest of the way with soda water or maybe tonic. That would work great. You can also do that with just a dash of champagne on top. Then you combined in 2 of the Queen's favourite drinks, champagne and Dubonnet cocktail. Either way, do enjoy the cocktail, and this one is for our Queen.